How to fix Instagram not opening on Android or iOS. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your Instagram won't open at all or it's just stuck in the loading screen, then in that case, you need to go ahead and find out the possible issues which could be caused by corrupted app data, outdated versions, or even device level issues. So I'm going to show you a detailed but simple steps to get your Instagram launching again. First thing you need to do is force close the app. So you can just swipe up from it recent and completely close it. Then long press on Instagram, tap on the I button, and if there's anything going on in the background, you can force stop it by clicking on force stop, tap on OK, and you should be good to go. Then you can restart your internet. Just toggle off your Wi-Fi and turn it back again, just like so. Or if you're on mobile data, you can do that as well. Once you have done that, if there are any weak connection, it would completely refresh it. And the next step is to update Instagram. Tap on Play Store. Go ahead and simply search for Instagram here. And if you see an update button instead of open, just update the app to its latest version. Then you can try to clear app cache for Instagram. Again, long press on it, tap on the I button, and you should be able to find the option to go to storage, tap on clear cache, and you're going to be good to go. If you have used any VPNs or proxies, you want to disable that as well. And then the final step is to restart your phone. Long press on the power button. This menu will pop up and then just tap on restart. You should be good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.